Hi, thanks for choosing KINGHOS KYS200 series time clock. Let's see what's inside the box. Use a menu. Time clock. Keypad here. Fingerprint sensor here. Swiping card here. USB port. Power port. Wall mounting. Bracket. You can remove the screws from here and remove the bracket and then install on the wall. Power adapter. USB flash disk. There are video guidance and user manual inside it. And also you can using this USB flash to transfer data from your time clock to your laptop, like downloading report and check from your report. You can insert from here to download it. Screws kit for wall mounting installation. This is the stand for desktop mounting, like insert on the back side of time clock. 5 badges, RFID card included. Thank you.